Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add alerts in TradingView right from your smartphone. It's a very easy process, so let's get started. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet. And download the TradingView app if you haven't already. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. After you are in the app, make sure you are logged in with your account. Now head over to the chart section. In this chart section, you can open the charts of any stocks in which you want to add alert to. Here you can see the name of the stocks at the bottom left corner. Tap on it. You can search for any particular stocks over here or select any other stocks from the list where you want to add an alert to. For example, I'll select the stock of Nvidia. Now it will show you the charts of Nvidia stocks. After that, here you can see the three dots icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on it. If you scroll down in this menu option, you can see Alert Management. Tap on it. Next up, tap on this Create Alert button. Now it will prompt you to this page. Here you can configure your alert. You'll see options to set the condition for the alert, such as crossing, greater than, less than, etc. You can choose accordingly. You can choose if you want to make this alert to trigger only once or every time. You can select its expiration date. You can give a name to this alert. You can add a custom message if you want. This can help you identify the alert later and know why it was triggered. And once you are done with the configuration, you can tap on this Create button. You can now stay informed about important market movements even when you are on the go. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.